Wag na, wag na.
Taas na ako ha.
Give up forever to touch you, 'cause I know that you feel me somehow. You're the closest to heaven that I'll ever be, and I don't wanna go home right now. And all I could taste is this moment, and all I can breathe is your light. And sooner or later it's over, I just don't wanna miss you tonight. And I don't want the world to see me, 'cause I don't think that they'd understand. When everything's made to be broken, I just want you to know who I am.
Ang task leader na si Winona hindi na napigilang maging emosyonal.
What happened to you?
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming. All the moment the truth,
Sorry, Anto.
everything feels
Siyempre si Lipo gusto niya ring mag-help, gusto niya rin magbigay ng ideas, and siyempre concerned din siya. Madami siyang gustong i-share, kaso yung iba nag-raise na po ng hands. Tsaka nauna sila, baka na-excite ng po si Lee, kaya nasabihan po siguro ni Sofia.
Ibigay na namin sa'yo ni Mami yan kasi yun nga, hindi ka napapabili kahit alam mo gusto mo yung isang bagay kasi ever since nung bata ka, ganun ka, diba? Kaya tanong mo pa kami kung mahal yan.
Ay, tissue.
Dami ba dyan? Meron ka na?
Yes, thank you.
Bago na lang.
I'm sure po natutuwa po sila ngayon, kuya, na marami po akong kaibigan. Hindi lang po kaibigan, pamilya pa po, kuya.